Many people damage their hair without knowing. Today, I'm sharing a simple rice and fenugreek hair mask. Fill the hair with natural vitamins. If you want strong, healthy hair, watch this video to the end because this is a natural ingredients rice fenugreek hair mask. This hair mask it help your hair to get more thicker. If you have weak hair, if you have dry hair, if you have breaking hair, it will help you to strong your hair and maintain your hair length. Let's start the video together, guys. Right now, I put my fenugreek and my rice into a fire. I soak it for 1 day. You can do it the same way, or you can do it for 6 hours or 12 hours, or just take it and start boiling it. That one also, there is not any problem. This hair mask is very powerful because rice is strengthening hair strands, while fenugreek also is supporting hair growing and scalp healthy, which is very good. Guys, after I finish boiling my fenugreek and rice, I bring it down to allow it get cool. Actually, the water was even dry, but you can still add water when you are going to blend it. So right now, after I finish blending it, you have to mix it with a right ingredient because here is very, very important. Immediately when you finish, try to strain it. So after I strain it, my first ingredient to add it into my hair mask is the honey. I add 2 tablespoons of honey. So guys, definitely I would like to take you guys along for us to check the benefit of those ingredients. So after I add my honey, as you guys can see, I'm mixing it together because any ingredient that you add into, you have to make sure you mix everything very well. So rice benefit, it will strengthen your hair and shining, less breaking. It's having vitamin B1, B6 and amino acids, which is nourishing your scalp. Right now, the next ingredient I'm adding is my infusing oil. Please check my channel to watch this infusing oil. That is carrot infusing oil. If you want to learn how to infuse your own oil at home, to nourish your scalp, nourish your children's scalp, this oil also is for you. Check the channel to watch the full video over there. So after adding that one also, it's not going to end there because I also add some ingredients inside, so stay tuned with me, and also I will take you guys step by step how you can do to get a maximum result because I'm going to use it to apply to my little angel so that you guys will see if you are going to apply it or do it for yourself or your children. You may know the steps that you can take to do this thing. So guys, after that also, let's check and see. My next ingredient is vitamin E oil that I'm going to add inside. Why I'm adding vitamin E oil? Let's check and see fenugreek benefit. Fenugreek is growing hair and less shedding. If you have shedding hair, you are using fenugreek into your hair, you will get less shedding from your hair. The scalp also is taking care of scalp, vitamins also, and protein, iron, vitamin C is having. It's also having, fenugreek is full of protein, as you all know. We all know that, right? Yes. So it's very, very powerful. So after I was blending, the first ingredient that I was adding was my honey. Honey also is moisturizing, adding soft to your hair and shiny. Honey is having vitamin B and also antioxidant, which is very good because this type of things that we need our hair to have is very, very important, especially we those who are looking for a way to grow our hair long, to maintain our hair length and also grow it as thicker and fuller hair and healthy. So this hair mask, don't put joke on it. Try to be using it if you have chance. At least once in a week is good. But if you say you cannot be doing it once in a week, but at least in a month, we have 4 weeks in a month. My people, my little angel is started sleeping. So what I'm going to do, I just want to do everything quick to, before she gets into deep sleep. So right now, even she's shaking her hair, as you guys can see. But before you apply it, I washed her hair yesterday. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to use her aloe vera herb spray to spray into her hair, make the hair let a little bit damp before I apply the hair mask. So you can use aloe vera herbs if you aloe vera spray, leave-in spray, or you use normal water because all these things is contain water. So the only thing, you can also use normal water to spray into your hair or make your hair a little bit damp before you apply your your ingredients inside. So I'll still take you back again. Carrot infusing oil. Carrot infusing oil is thickening hair, growing and supporting your hair. It's also having vitamins, which is vitamin A and vitamin E, which is very good because if you have damaging hair, we all know it. Vitamin E is the repairing hair. It will repair your hair. Anything that you are using and is contain vitamin E, that vitamin E is very powerful when it's come to a hair growing journey. Is repairing hair. If you have damaging hair, you are using it, you are going to solve your hair problem. So vitamin E oil I added, it's also repairing damaging hair, protecting ends, and also, yes, my love. So, and after that also I added coconut oil. Okay, I'll make it for you guys. I have to do fast because my daughter wants to watch bingo, and if I open that one also now, it's giving me copyright. That's the problem that I have now. So coconut oil also is also preventing dryness and sealing the moisture into your hair. All this hair mask, the benefit, it will strengthen your weak hair and reduce your hair breaking. It's improving scalp healthy and adding softness and shining to your hair. It supports natural hair growing faster while you are using it. So if you want to grow your hair faster, but mind you people, before you use this thing, I said it when I start to do my daughter hair. I said I wash her hair yesterday. Always make sure that your hair is clean. If you know that your hair is full of gels, it's full of products, it's full of oils, butters, please try to wash your hair before you apply this hair mask into your hair. And also you can use it also if you have mini braids, mini twists, cornrow. You are safe. You can use it if it is your own natural hair. You didn't add anything extra, any hair inside. You just use your natural hair to make this style. You are safe. You can still apply this hair mask into your hair. But if you have let's say you make a brace or twist, but you added a brace inside, please don't apply this hair mask, because when you apply it, it's going to, when you are about to open your hair, you will face what I'm trying to tell you. So just avoid, don't do it. But if it is your natural hair, you are safe, because it's very, very important. While your hair is still in protectable style, you can still do what? You can still take care of your hair. You can still protect your hair, doing a treatment. So that is very, very important. Guys, I'm taking you guys step by step to show you guys everything, that how I start or how I'm going to do everything. So please watch this video. Let's continue. This hair mask can help you if you have dry hair, if you want to grow your hair thicker, fuller, healthy. Please try to be doing it at least once in a week. It's very, very good. It's very, very important. For waiting time, when you apply it, get a shower cap or plastic bag to cover your hair for 30 to 40 minutes before go and wash. When you are going also, you can wash with your shampoo, add your deep conditioner, and come to seal it with your leave-in conditioner and your butters, and thank me later, because this thing is working like a magic. It's helping also the children because there is not any chemicals, so you are safe to use it for your children. But always make sure that before you put anything to your hair or your children's hair, always make patches test before you apply it to the child. Guys, if you watch it to this point, comment in the comments below, yes, we'll grow natural hair together, yes, we'll grow our children hair together, or yes, I'll try it, for me to know that yes, you watch it to this point. Thank you very much for watching. Right now it's a little bit difficult for me because, as you all know, now I'm just trying to finish everything and take her to bed. She's sleeping. So after I finish everything, I'll take her to bed. Maybe after the bed that I'll wash her hair. Normally when you do, you have to sit like 30 to 40 minutes, but for us, for me doing it, sometimes it's more than that, because she may go to bed and start sleeping. She can be sleeping here while I took her to bed. So after that also, I cannot wake her up. I have to allow her sleep. Anytime once she wake up, that's the time that I'm taking her to bed. I'm taking her to wash her hair. So always try to do it in the daytime. If it's in the daytime the child sleep, at least you will make sure that you wash her hair before she go to bed. Okay, especially children, immediately when you start put your hand into their hair, they feel like you are massaging their scalp, it's dosing them. Princess, she always sleeping very quick when I put my hand. Actually, not all the time. Sometimes she sleep very quick when I start to do something into her hair. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all, and thanks for supporting us. Guys, we need, our channel, we go through a lot. This channel, first they demonetize me. Second, after demonetizing, someone else also come and hack this my channel. So we get it back now. After we get it back now, also we don't have single watch hour again, and the channel is not all that doing well. So we are trying to see if we can get a 4,000 watch hour and apply again. So please guys, we need you guys support. You're watching, you're supporting, it means a lot to me and my little girl. And also, not for only watching, while you are watching and you have a child, or you also have natural hair, because this hair mask, actually, the one thing that I'm going to tell you people, it's not for only natural hair. This hair mask is for all hair type. Whether you have a permy hair, natural hair, you can still use it. You have a curly hair, you can use this hair mask. It's safe for both, all the hair type. So it's very, very important. So right now you can see guys, she's sleeping. I'm going to take her to bed. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Bye bye until our next video again.